My name is Sunday Bada. Do you want to learn how to create this wonderful My To-Do list? It will show all the tasks that you need to achieve in a day, and which one that you have achieved, you just need to click it so that it will strike it out, and it will be showing the progress of what you have completed and the tasks that remain. If you want to learn this, follow me. The next thing we need to do now is to highlight where we want to put our checkbox. When you highlight it, just press the short code Alt-NCB. Now we have created the checkbox. The next thing is serial number. Press is equal to apostrophe number dot apostrophe and sequence. Press tab. The first question the sequence will ask you is the row. That row we are going to use the counter function to replace it. We now highlight this space. Whatever we type here, the sequence will give it number automatically. You will close the brackets. If you look at this function, you will see that we use two functions here, sequence and the counter function. Therefore, we are going to close the bracket two times, another bracket again, and press enter. Now, if I type anything here, break fast time, enter, send my reports, audit meeting, you will discover that the serial number is giving it automatically. The next thing I'm going to do now is that to create the what? To create the formula for the completed task. How am I going to do that? We are going to use count if. Count if. What is the range? This is the range. Press comma. The next thing, what is the criteria? The criteria is true. It means that whenever I click that thing, is true. Close the bracket, divided by the what? Use counter A as well, brackets, and the list of the, close the bracket and press enter. Now we have not achieved anything. Come to the remaining, press is 1 minus this, press enter. It will give us 100%. If I click this now, click this, you see that we are achieving it 13% and so forth. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create the donut chart. I like this one. When you highlight it, come to the inside and come to the here. Click on the donut chart, which is this. Come to the remaining, delete this one. Come to the chart, delete it as well. The next thing, let's resize it. Now the next thing we are going to do, double click the outside here. When you double click the outside here, this formula will come. We now say no fill, because I'm talking about the outside there, and no line. Now if I click outside here, you see that no line and no fill. The next thing, click on this and let's come here and change the donut hole size from 25 to 25. We change it to 25. Now perfect. Now the next thing we are going to do now is that I'm going to remove this fill, the orange one. You click it first time and you click it second time. It means that you only selected the orange one the second time. Now come to the fill and remove no fill. When you remove no fill, come to the solid line, click on the solid line. Perfect. Now click on this color blue again to select only that one and click on the solid line. That one too, solid line. Fine. Now if you click on this one now, you see that yes, it is perfect. Now the next thing we are going to do is to add the data label. Now we have added it. Now let's change the colors to color red. Let bold it. I think it's perfect now. Now if you are clicking it, you see that yes, it's moving. Perfect. The next thing we are going to do now that is that we are going to give command conditional formatting. Whenever the one that we have achieved, it will strike it out. Let's highlight these three rules. When you highlight it, come to the conditional formatting, come to the new rule, and come to the use a formula to determine which cells to format. Come here, click this one from beginning here. Now we are going to remove the dollar from the number, which is row. Anything number is row, alphabet is the what? Is column. Now remove the dollar from it. So it can go down. Now when this A3 equals to the truth, equals to truth, it means that whenever we click it that they have achieved the task, then format it, strike it out. Click strike. It means that it will strike it out. Press is equal to. You will see that the one we have achieved is striking it out. Is striking it out. The next thing we are going to do now is this one, conditional formatting. Come here. When you click on the completed task, come to the here and come to the new rule and do what? Change this one to the data bar, change this one to the number, and change this one as well to number. This one is 0 and this one will be 1 because it's 100%. 100% divided by 100 is 1. The maximum will be 1 while the minimum will be 0. Now let's change this solid field to the gradient and click OK. Now you see that the gradient is there. When you are clicking it, it will be showing the. That's it. Very simple to construct. Thank you for listening. I remain Sunday Bada. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video like this. Bye.